In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to add filters on Instagram stories. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Once you're in the home page, here you're gonna find the option of add to story. Click on that. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the picture or the video where you want to apply effect, or also you can click it. If you want to click it, click on the option camera. Once your camera launches, here at the bottom, you're going to find different filter option. Just scroll to the right and you can check out all these effects. If you want to search for a specific effect, what you want to do is scroll all the way to the left. By the end, you're going to find the option of browse filters. Click on that option. This will open Instagram's effect gallery where you can discover thousands of filters, face effects, games, beauty filters, and trending story effects created by creators. Tap on the search icon and type the name of any effect you want to find. Let's search for glow filters. With that, tons of options will appear. You can select the effect of your choice, then you can click a picture or video. The filter will be applied. Now I can upload it as a story. So this way you can easily add filters to Instagram stories. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.